Okay, so we are well into November 9th to be exactly. I can see myself on the phone here. Maybe I should put it there. And till now we have had a quite warm November. And until now we have quite a warm November. Just a couple or 3 days with frost on the asphalt. But enough to get some freaking scary episodes with riding the bike to work. We are changing from summer tires to studded tires. Then we can start by taking the tires or the wheels off the bike. So we can put the bike away and get a little more workspace here. And this back part is really dirty from oil and mud and stuff. So I have to wash my hands before I proceed. I'm moving the frame. So there is a bit of a difference on the front and the back tire, of course, or back wheel, but changing the rubber itself should be almost the same, because except that I have a car valve on this back wheel and a Preston valve on the front wheel. So I think I will start with the front wheel. And first we're letting the air out. By the way, this is the same kind of valve I use on my road bike. So we're starting to let the air out. Oh, not that high of a pressure. But it should be a much safer day tomorrow when riding to work, which I'm really looking forward to. So there we go. And take off the valve ring. These kind of valves has a really weak point, so you have to be really careful when you push in this valve security. It easily breaks. I have done it a couple of times. So then we need a couple of dekkspaker in Norwegian, handles to remove the tire from the wheel. And the rubber has now almost melted to the frame because it's over half a year ago since I changed the tire the last time. So use your fingers to remove it safely and use this spake to just hack off the rubber like this. Maybe you can take out the inner tube before you remove the tire itself. And now this tube is quite wet because it has been raining a lot and the rubber isn't pottetett. So check the tube for dirt and stones and stuff, which can make the tube make hole in the tube. You know, I don't have that good of a vocabulary in English, so excuse me, but I think you understand what I mean.